So this is my site right now. I'm chilling with a couple buddies from work. We just living life, camping out at our site. Booms being built with antennas. My cooking stuff. 2 coolers, dogs. You know, easy shit to cook on the road. Basically, this is my living room, shared with Chris. He haven't paid rent yet. That motherfucker. That's why I got this whip. So this is gonna be my bed. I got 3 options really. Either the back, center area, or well, 4 options, including the driver's seat or this seat. But who wanna fucking sit in the driver's seat sleeping? Nobody. But look at this view behind there, man. This don't do justice. Let me try to zoom in a little bit for you guys. But no, anymore it just be ugly as fuck. But shit, that's what we looking at, man. It's Friday, July 20th. Peace out. 2017. I forgot that. Now, peace out.